Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. HKL here. Sorry, long time no see. I know I have been not making videos for quite a while now. It's because I was pretty busy with work. Okay. Just let me show you what I got today. I got from Glo today for a review. Okay, this is a review unit which I will have to return. Basically, this is the Glo Series 2. Alright, which is apparently available in Malaysia right now. Let me just do an unboxing and see what is new on this unit. Apparently this is an enhancement unit, it's an improved unit from the Series 1. Alright, which actually I know somebody who is using it. Wow, quite nice. The packaging is very solid. Oh, I got the black color unit. Wow, nice. Okay, let's leave this aside first. Let's see what do you get. Of course, you get your quick start guide, and then you got your manual and all, which I don't read. Okay, this is, you got your warranty card. Okay, and USB cable. Oh no, it's a micro USB cable. It's not even a USB-C. Very bad for that. You got no charger, no adapter. If you got this cleaning tool, I will show you how to use it. Alright, this is the starter kit actually. This will cost you, it's actually in 7-Eleven already, 150 bucks. Alright, you guys can go check it out. Okay, if you want to change another heat and burn device. Okay, now let's look at the device itself. Looks nice. Where to tear this open? Oh, here. Oh wow, feels very nice, feels very solid. There you go. This is the Glo. Right, it's very classy looking. Right, look at one of those vape devices. Alright, of course I will not compare it with the IQOS, alright, because my IQOS is currently out of battery. I wouldn't compare it. Oh, but this part is here, it's nice. It's sort of like magnetic. Alright, it's just a solid feel to it, you know. Yeah, nice. You can't remove this. Let me see what charge I have. Oh, I only have 25%. Okay, because you can just touch once to see how many percent you have left. Later probably I can try one of the heat sticks. Okay, here is something like, oh, like this. Yes, you have to pull down and you will release. All right, what does it do actually is that you can see it's all see-through. Alright, the heating element here itself, apparently it takes 40 seconds to heat up. And later on I will try. Alright, basically this hole is for you to clean out all the residue or whatever. But what I heard is that after one pack you can clean it, or after 26 you can clean it. It's just it's very easy to clean. It's as compared to the other brands like Lambda for the matter. Alright, okay, let's look at this again. Yeah, this is just a charging port, USB-C. Oh, and also let me just check it out. I don't know how many sticks you can do. Let me just check it out. Roughly how many sticks you can do. It's okay, never mind, I'll put it in the subtitles later on. Okay, now for this here I have two flavors which I bought. Okay, one is apparently, I think this is mint or something like that, 20 sticks. Okay, made in South Korea by BAT. Similarly, same thing, made in South Korea by BAT. This is the NeoSticks. It's not called the heat sticks anymore, it's called the NeoSticks. Alright, please take note, Glo, you can only use these sticks. You can't use hits on Glo. Okay, clear, huh? Now Let's try this. Oh, this one is with the button. I think this one should be menthol. Let's try this. Okay, it says do not light. Okay, it's my first time trying also. I'm also not sure on this. Okay, let's try this. You see there's a button here. It's the popping thing, which is very famous. So what you do is you just insert this here all the way to that line, and then you press and hold. It will vibrate once and it will start heating up, I guess. No function. Let me pause the video, let me check it out first. Alright, sorry guys, it is basically no battery just now. Now it is 40 seconds. Alright, have to wait for 40 seconds to heat up. Okay, you may fast forward it. 40 seconds, what it does is that it will blink for all 4 LEDs. Once it's the full circle, it is confirmed okay already. Now it's the third LED already. Now this is a bit, I think would be longer than the other brand, ICOS and the rest of the other brands. Alright, so but it's okay. Let me try on the flavor first. Vibrate already. Very nice vapor production. Very nice puff, very smooth. As I'm on my fourth puff, it's very smooth. Very rich tobacco flavor. But it's not going to be like, because you were going on heat not burn devices. You know those people who are on heat not burn devices like ICOS, like Lambda and all this. After a period of time on heats or on all these HNB products, you won't be able to go back to cigarettes because cigarette smell is very bad. This one doesn't have that feeling of going back to cigarettes, but it has a very rich tobacco flavor and it's very, very smooth. All right, and I like it a lot. Let me try it with the pop. Yeah, this is the limey flavor, very limey flavor, very nice. But this one is a bit smaller. I mean, for girls it's okay lah, but for guys, your egoism, your machoism. Yeah, it's honestly very nice. The solid is very solid, it's very nicely built. But this one is really too thin for my liking. That's my only bone to pick lah. Yep. And this one is said to have a better heating element because it doesn't have a blade, it doesn't have a ceramic rod, so you don't have to do much of a cleaning. It's basically just put it in, put this scrubber in and start cleaning it. Alright, I don't know whether I can put the alcohol on it or not, but I will not try to attempt this experiment until I check it out with Glo Malaysia. Yeah, see? Puff, how much? I don't know, but looking at it, You can go about what, 12, 13 puff, and it vibrates already. Yep, around there. Nearing the end is also not to say you have a burnt flavor. No burnt taste. But I know for a fact that if it vibrates, you have 30 more seconds to go before it goes off. Now it's off already. Okay, so it's very simple. Once you have done, you just pull it out, and yep, this is your heat stick condition. Basically, is the heating element is at the side of it. It hits here, and then it creates the vapor. So yep, that's what is being produced. Okay, very nice. I'm pretty happy with it. Even it's on the first stick, there's no how to say, aftertaste or foul taste. Is pretty good. I will try this out later on and probably share on what flavor is the best. Okay, I didn't buy the red one because I don't like the heat flavor, the amber, all this I also don't like. So yeah, overall it's a very very solid build. Okay, for a starter pack at 150 ringgit, it is very very worth it. And this is not like the plastic or whatever, it is aluminum. It is, very solidly built. It's much like the, there's another brand, Chinese brand, QOQ. It's also very solidly built. But this one is even better. It has a very nice design to it as well. But as for the size, I'm not sure. I wish they would send me the Pro, but let's not look at it. I'll go and get the Pro myself, and I'll buy the Pro and try out the Pro and give you a better review on it, a more in-depth review on the Pro version. I don't know what's the difference between this and the Pro, but this is actually the starter kit itself. Alright, it comes in this manner, and you can buy it from 7-Eleven already. Okay, as I know, there's only selected 7-Eleven that is available. Okay, so yeah, catch out my next video. Alright, click here for more videos and click here to subscribe. Alright, thank you very much. Bye bye, I'll see you again.